red lentil vegetarian biryani. I'm going to show you how to cook this beautiful yum biryani. Vegetarian, vegan, easy to cook, easy to get ingredients in Scotland. So we start. Hi. Okay, my name is Deepa McAllister. I'm cooking today red lentil biryani. You need, I'm just going to tell you the ingredients first. You need pressure cooker to cook, ghee or oil, 3 cups of water. I soak 1 cup of water. I soak the lentil. I use this cup, 1 full cup lentil, soaked it for 2 hours in a warm water and been double the size. I use this cup, 2 cups of rice and soaked it for half an hour. 2 medium-sized potatoes, 2 very big onions, some mint, chili, bay leaves, cinnamon stick. I'll just bring it over here. Cinnamon stick, clove, 1 star, half a tablespoon cumin seed, and few cardiman to cook this biryani, and 1 cup of tin tomato. You can use fresh, but I don't have fresh, so I'm using the tin tomatoes. And this is all the ingredients you need to cook. And I have paneer air fried. You can deep fry it if you want, but I air fried it. And that's it. And I'm going to give that to my uncle to record, and I will be cooking. I'm going to put one tablespoon of ghee. Just put it in my pressure cooker. It's been melted. Cinnamon stick, 1 star, 4 or 5 cloves, cardiman, and bay leaves. I'm going to put that last. Stir it. And I'm just going to put my onions and fry them all. And I'm going to fry them golden brown. So it's going to take a little while. Just so. My onions are getting brown golden, so I'm going to take half of them out. I'm just going to take half the onions out. So they're equal part, I think. Just this is for garnish later. And then I'm going to put my tomatoes in there. And I'm going to just fry it till to the, you can see the separation in the oil and tomatoes. So let them fry. When you see the separation in tomatoes and oil, then it's ready. You see the separation in the tomatoes is and the oil is can just see the oil now. I'm going to put ginger garlic paste. I crush the garlic and ginger together, and I'm going to put it in and fry it. Fry it with tomatoes for a few minutes to give a nice flavor. I like it frying them last, so have a better flavor. If you do it before tomato, the ginger and garlic get burned. I don't think so. You get nice flavors. So I do it when I fry my tomato, then I fry garlic and ginger. So for 5 minutes frying it, then I'm going to put my potatoes in for frying with the paste. Tomatoes and it's nice paste, and I'm going to put my potatoes in. They've been soaked in the water. Give them quick fry. Then I'm going to put my lentil. Fry it. Then I have 2 cups of rice. I need measure this. This is for lentil. 2 cups. I need more water. Two, three. I don't need too much because we soaked our 3.5 cups. Because we soaked it our rice and lentil, so they have water absorbed already. I'm going to cook lentil first before I go to cook my. Now, after 1 whistle, I'm just checking my dal if it's been cooked. I think I need more salt. So I'm going to put a little bit more salt. My lentil is cooked. Now I'm going to put just the rice. Doesn't need much more water because it's plenty water. I'm going to just put my paneer, chili, minced leaf, all in there. It's okay. It's in there. Look, it's yum already. So it's all now. Onion, this will last. And I'm just going to close my pressure cooker without vessel and let it cook. And let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I put in the whistles to get cooked in a very low heat for 5 more minutes. So I'm going to just check my biryani now. Open the whistle. Yeah, watch that. Don't kill yourself. Open the pressure cooker and look at this. It's almost ready. Then I'm just, and you just check if it's cooked. Just take the rice and it's cooked. This is the biryani. I'm just going to put leftover onions on top. And that is ready. I'm going to serve and see. That is your that is your red lentil vegetarian vegan biryani. Yum.